Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to explain high-ticket affiliate marketing in the simplest way possible, step by step for beginners in 2026. If you've heard people say you only need one sale, earn $500 commissions, no product, no support, but never understood how it actually works, this video is for you. No hype, just real explanation. Now, what high-ticket affiliate marketing really means? Let's keep it simple. High-ticket affiliate marketing means you promote expensive products, you earn big commissions per sale. Instead of selling 100 products for $10, you sell one product for $1,000. Earn 300 to 500 commission, right? Same effort, bigger results. Why high-ticket works better for beginners? This may sound strange, but it's true. High ticket is easier because fewer sales needed, less customer support, more serious buyers, better affiliate tools. You focus on quality traffic, not quantity. Now, choose the right high quality or high ticket offer, which is very important. Not all offers are good. A good high ticket offers solve a real problem, have a proven product, or offer at least 30% commission, or provide sales pages and funnels. Examples like categories, net brands, online business programs, software subscriptions, coaching platforms, AI tools, or marketing systems. Avoid get rich quick schemes, no refund policy, or no support. And join the affiliate program, right? Join the affiliate program. Once you choose an offer, sign up as an affiliate, get your unique affiliate link and access marketing materials, right? So you can see right here the weekly product inspiration, right? And you can see, right here the products that that has the most demand, right? You can go ahead and select your product and get a link for that product, right? A link will be generated after you sign up, obviously as an affiliate. A short link will be generated and just post it, right? You don't have to create the product or handle payments or deal with refunds. Your only job is traffic and people, right? Build one simple traffic source. Do not do everything. Beginners fail by doing too much. Pick one platform, right? Best for 2026 beginners are YouTube, long plus short, TikTok, blog plus SEO, email marketing, which is optional later. For beginners, I recommend using YouTube or TikTok, right? And create the trust content, right? This is the secret. High ticket sales don't come from hype. They come from trust. Create content like tutorials, reviews, comparisons, how it works videos, or mistakes to avoid. Here's an example video idea, right? Is this program worth it? Right? Or who should not buy this? Or my honest review after 30 days. Honesty converts. Where to place your affiliate links? Never spam links. Best places is or are YouTube description, pinned comment, a simple landing page, or email follow-up. Just you can set up later. Always say link in description. This is an affiliate link, or I will get a commission. Right? Transparency builds trust. Okay. Now, use a simple funnel, optional but powerful. Instead of sending traffic directly, send users to a free resource, collect email, then recommend the offer. Example, free checklist, email, offer. This increases convergence. Now, how long before you see results? Real talk. Let's be honest. Timeline for beginners, week 1 or 2, setup plus learning, week 3 to 4, first clicks, month 2 to, between 2 to 3 months, first sale. High ticket is low at first, but powerful long term. Okay. Now, avoid promoting too many offers. No content strategy. Copy pasting script. Quitting too early. Chasing fast money. Patience requires, patience requires your full attention, and eventually you're gonna get some money. some green. Now, scale after your first sale. Excuse me. After your first commission, make more content, improve what worked, build email list, add paid ads later. Okay, one sale proves the system works, which is good for you, right? Now, high ticket affiliate marketing is, excuse me, not easy, not fast, but very simple. You don't need a product or big audience or paid ads. You only need three things: one good offer, one traffic source, consistent trust-based content. Okay? Now, once you start executing that and stay consistent, at least within the first 7 days, you're gonna be able to know what mistakes to avoid and how to better your system and enjoy, of course, your own profit. Right? So yeah, like the video, subscribe, and comment high ticket below to know that you watched the whole video. I will see you in the next one.